Namaste. Today let's explore an interesting yogic concept. It is called Panchakosha. How many bodies do you think we have? One or more? Well, we have five. That is, in yoga, we call it as Panchakosha. Pancha means five, Kosha means sheet or layer. This theory, Panchakosha theory, emerged from Taittiriya Upanishad. In a conversation with his father Varuna, Bhrigu asks a question: Father, what is this universe made up of? Instead of answering this question, Varuna asks his son to do tapa. After many years of tapa, Bhrigu comes up with a word Anna. Then Varuna asks him to do tapa again. Then he comes up with another word Prana. He was asked to do tapa again. Then he comes up with three more words Mana, Vignana, Ananda. These are the five layers of the body: Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vignanamaya Kosha, and Anandamaya Kosha. Now let's look at these layers. Annamaya Kosha. This is the physical body or external body. This is comprised of bones, organs, cells, etc. This draws energy from food. Food is nothing but Anna, hence it is called Annamaya Kosha. To nourish this layer, we need to consume balanced diet, exercise regularly, rest and sleep. The second layer is Pranamaya Kosha. This is prana, it means bioenergy or vital force. Hence this is a energy layer, and this prana exists in all living beings. This draws energy from our breathing. To nourish this layer, we need to practice deep breathing or pranayama. This brings balance in pranic level. Now let's look at third layer, Manomaya Kosha. This is mental or emotional layer. This layer is responsible for thinking, emotions and feelings. This is the seat of all pleasures and pains. Any imbalance in this layer can cause disease in the physical body. To nourish this layer, we need to do meditation, relaxation and mindfulness. The fourth layer is Vijnanamaya Kosha. This is the layer of intellectual and thought. This layer is responsible for perception, understanding and decision making. To nourish this layer, we need to practice continuous learning, analysis of current happiness, self-love, kindness towards ourselves. Now let's look at fifth layer, Anandamaya Kosha. This is blissful layer or happiness layer. This is responsible for our spiritual growth. This is pure bliss without strings attached. To nourish this layer, we need to practice seva, that is serving people without any expectations. I hope you enjoyed this topic. Let's meet with another topic next time. Thank you.